Hello everybody. Here is another short little lesson you can do at home or practice along with the video. And this is all about parties or fiestas. So we're going to go over vocabulary first. Remember to say it after I have said it. The first one is party. Balloons. That is a red balloon, blue balloon, and a yellow balloon. Presents. You can also call these gifts. So presents or gifts. Cake. I love cake. I like chocolate cake. What kind of cake do you like? Candles. Sometimes, if it's cumpleaños or our birthday, we blow out candles. Party hats. All right, now we're going to look at a story. Read and listen to the story and look at the pictures to see if you can name some of the vocabulary. My birthday party. Guess what? Today is my birthday and I am going to have a birthday party at my house. My friends are going to come over for my birthday party. But first, we need to decorate the house. Over here, I see some decorations. Oh, here's more decorations with balloons. First, we are going to fill the living room with balloons. How many balloons do you see? Go ahead and count. Yep, you should have gotten 6 balloons. 6 balloons. Next, we have to put the candles on top of the cake. On top of the cake. Now, we are ready for the party to start. Go ahead and look for the cake. Good, and there are the candles. Finally, all of my friends are here. We are all wearing party hats and we are so excited for the party to begin. Now it's time to open presents. Can you count how many presents I have? Take a moment to count her presents. Yep, you should have gotten 4 presents. And there's all her friends at her party. Lastly, all my friends sing happy birthday to me. I blow out all the candles and we eat yummy, delicious cake. The end. So now we're going to look at some words and we're going to look at specifically nouns, but when things or nouns, when it's only one, we call them singular because there's only one. So this is balloon. There's only one in the picture, so we just say balloon. For plural nouns, that means 2 or more than 2. More than 2. So I see 3 balloons here. So we would say balloons. What do you notice about the word and how it changes? Yeah, we add S to the end. This is also similar in Spanish as well. So if we look at this picture, we know there's only one, so we say present. In this picture, there's two, so we say presents. Candle, candles. Now here are some other things that we can also say as a singular noun or a plural noun. Dog, dogs. Student, students. There's many students. All right, some conversation practice. Now, most of you know this song. I'm going to sing it. I'm not that good of a singer, but that's okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sophia. Happy birthday to you. Now you need to make a wish and blow out the candles. I'm going to wish for a new bike. Have you ever made a wish when you blow out the candles? It's something that you want. So now you need to make a wish. I am going to wish for, you could wish for anything really. You might wish for a dog, a cat, a new toy, a cell phone, if you're old enough, and a video game. So for me, I would say I am going to wish for a cat. Because I love cats. Now, I already have a cat, but that's okay. I'm going to wish for a new baby cat. All right, so now we're going to match the picture with the words. I'm going to pause the video, and you should as well. Make sure you think about what we went over in the story and the vocabulary before. We have party hats, cake, make my bed. Pause the video and match the words with the picture. All right, so here are your answers. This is cake. She, the girl, she is making her bed, or we could call this make my bed. And party hats, something to wear on your head. Here's our next one. We have presents, balloons, cleaning. Go ahead, stop the video and match the words with the pictures. All right, here are the answers. Balloons, cleaning. He's cleaning the table. And presents. All right. We have down here candles, cereal, party. Go ahead and match the words with the pictures. Stop the video. All right, here are our answers. Party, candles, cereal. Which one does not belong? Meaning, which one does not go with the other pictures? Think about it. You should have thought to yourself, cereal does not really go with party or candles. I would say balloons would be better. That would go with these two, but cereal does not go. Good. All right, now let's practice making some of these words plural. So we have singular and plural, one or two or more. Over here we have pencil. Go ahead and write what pencil turns into if you have scratch paper. Girl turns into, write it down, stop the video, and then you can check your answers. All right, so here are your answers. Pencil becomes pencils. You add S. Girl becomes girls. You add S. moving on. Go ahead and do these two, cat and teacher. Write them down, write the word for this picture and write the word for this picture. Make it plural, more than one. Stop the video. All right, here are our answers. Cat becomes cats. Teacher, teachers. You add S. All right, some more practice activities. Write a sentence about the picture below. How do you celebrate your birthday? Is it the same or different than this picture? So think for a moment and see if you can write a sentence. Is your birthday, when you celebrate, the same or similar to this picture or different than this picture? Stop the video and think. The way I celebrate my birthday is similar to this picture, except for I'm not a little kid. This is my sentence, I have a party with my friends. And notice that I made sure to put friends instead of friend because I have more than one friend that would come to my house to celebrate. So go ahead and see if you can write a sentence and think about, maybe you want to say, I have a party with my family. Maybe you are different and you, instead of having a party like the picture, maybe I spend time with my family. Oh, I put friends. Family. Maybe you just spend time with your family for your birthday. Okay, so think about it and try writing a sentence. Last little activity, I want you to circle the balloons in this picture, or think about which one you would circle if you had this in front of you. You should have circled or thought of here. There are the balloons. Number 2, circle the picture of what you would eat at a party. Look at the pictures. Go ahead and say out loud what you would eat at your party. Say it out loud. Good, you should have said cake. I would eat cake at my party. Actually, I would eat chocolate cake. You can add that in too. Good. We wouldn't eat presents. Hopefully not. And we wouldn't eat party hats. I'm going to skip that one. We're going to go to number 4. Is this picture a singular, meaning one, or plural noun? Which one would it be? You should have thought or said presents. Presents because it's more than one. There's 2 presents here. Write a sentence about your birthday. So, at my birthday party, I put some options down here. What's something that you would like to do if you had a birthday party right now? I have eat cake, play with friends, open presents. If you'd like to think of something else to write down, go ahead. If not, you can use this to help you. Go ahead and write your sentence and you can stop the video. Right, I hope this video was helpful. This is just some more practice. I will send another video next week and hopefully you guys get your computers soon so we can do some live lessons. Go ahead and I hope you have a great week. I miss you. I miss all of my students at Featherbed and I can't wait to see you guys again. And that's it. Have a great day. Bye.